This game exploded onto the US charts within 24 hours, leaving gamers buzzing about its pace, graphics, and crossplay magic. In fast-paced competitive modes, it nails responsive controls, while a neon world and dynamic weather keep every run feeling fresh. Have you tried this game yourself, or are you waiting for a sale, and which platform is your go-to? Other trending titles tease communities, innovative loot systems, and multiplayer that feels urgent and seamless across consoles and PCs. Smash that subscribe button, drop a comment with your verdict, and tell us which American gamers deserve the next spotlight.